Okay, I know that I'm in an ugly hoodie and my background is a mess and I'm drinking out of a Christmas cup, but I can't, okay?
Oh my God.
So hi, hello, welcome back to this. So recently, the Instagram gods recommended to me this video, which is not in English, but I can read. And you know, sometimes when you're watching like a beauty tutorial, you're like, is this a real thing or are you just hotter than me? In this case, I think it was both. But I wanted to try this version of heatless curls because while I do have my own way, not like it's mine, but it's mine, that I prefer to do heatless curls. And I like that way specifically because it's like very comfortable, very hard to screw up, and also it looks good on my thin hair. Now, I don't think you all realize this. When I say I have thin, fine hair, I just like to point out right now that yes, my hair looks like it exists because I constantly do this and rip it apart. But in reality, if we were to actually gently brush out my head of hair. I got this brush, I'm gonna do a favorites video soon, but I got this brush from Pros. It's monogrammed. I got this brush from them. It's an agave bristle brush. So it doesn't use animal products, but it's like all the good parts of a boar bristle brush, and I'll talk about it more in this favorites video. And I'm gonna be doing a giveaway in that video, so you better pay attention. Subscribe. I'm just saying, like, my hair is so shiny, so soft. Anywho, back to this actual video that you signed up for. I'm taking all of my hair right now. See? See? You see? This is all of it. This is how much hair I have on my whole head. This is some of your bangs. For some of you, this is armpit hair. I'm just an armpit. And I know I'm not alone. Well, I probably am the only armpit. I want to see if this kind of heatless hairstyle actually works, because some of them don't work because I don't have enough hair. Honestly, a lot of hair that you are jealous of, I'm like, yeah, none of us have that. It's like a very specific combination of thick and manageable that, like, who was born like that? What? But what you need to do this is a rope. Now, I am just using the one off of my bathrobe. Classy lady. I'm gonna part my hair in the middle. That makes the most sense. I think you'd all want to as well. And just brush it out so that there's no knots. Easy to twist. Oh, that's it. You know, just sometimes when you look at yourself and you're like, oh, that's my life every day. So anyway, once your hair is extremely shiny and well brushed, also I will put, that was what I was starting to say, is I have a link that gets you $10 off your Pros order. But again, I'm having a giveaway soon. Anyway, enough of that, I'm gonna focus. What you want to do is once your hair is soft and parted in the middle and is behind your enormous Dumbo ears, you're going to take your little rope and I'm going to put this in the center of my head. I literally look like a troll. With this half, I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of tie this so it's just like out of the way with an old scrunchie. And then with this side, to actually get the curls, you want to start at the top of your head. Make sure that your curls end up like properly curled all the way. I would take this entire strip at the top. And what I mean by that is if you leave this hanging here, it's very easy to just grab this front part. And so then the curl only happens here and doesn't happen in the back. Once you have this grabbed, you're gonna take your hair and you are going to twist it around your robe, trying to make sure you're not picking up any hairs from the bottom here. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist that around. Once you have twisted that, you are going to pull another chunk of hair and add this to what you just twisted. So these are two now combined, and continue to twist once more and continue to do this all the way down your head. And also I would imagine keeping this pretty consistently, like the tightness level is what I'm saying, that you are twisting around, keeping that pretty consistent from the top to the bottom so that your curls end up being a similar size. Because if you make this really tight down here, but really loose up here, you're gonna have looser curls that become tighter at the end, which again, if that's what you're going for, cool, but just so you know the information. So once you're at the end and you just have a little tail, you would just keep wrapping this, and then at the end, just tie this off with a hair tie, which, oh my God, I feel like a magician right now. Doesn't end. But once this is completely tied off and you let this go, it gets a little bit looser as it unfolds a little bit. So what I saw some people did is they twisted this. Ooh, just a little too tight there. That's my scalp. But gently twist this, and then they also twisted around at the base of it here to make kind of like a little Chun-Li bun, you know what I mean? And then pinned that down. All right, feels secure. Also, I look like Goofy right now. I'm now gonna do the same thing on the other side. We're the kids in America, oh, we're the kids of America, oh. I've been alone all day today. I got Kids of America stuck in my head. While this is technically overnight curls, the one benefit, well actually there's two benefits. One benefit of having absolutely no hair means it dries really fast, but the other benefit means a lot of the time overnight curls, I don't actually do overnight. I just leave on my head for like 2 hours and then it works. But now that I fully look like I could be trying to really poorly appropriate someone, I'm gonna let this hang out probably 2 or 3 hours and we will see how this works. I will say right now, there's no chance I could sleep in this. It is kind of, not like it's painful, but I'm just very aware of my head and also just like the way this is positioned and with the like, I don't know, I like to sleep. I'd honestly rather sleep well and be ugly. Oh my God, the sun is coming for me. Okay, it's been 2 hours. I can't keep this on my head any longer. No, I'm not leaving this on as long as I probably should, but I can't do it. This is not very comfortable to have on your head. I'm just gonna go ahead and say that right now. At least with my little headband one, it's comfy. Or as comfy on the scale of things as you can be. But if you do this, more power to you, man, because I can't, I'm weak. Yeah. For 2 hours? I mean, that did something for sure. Those are cute. They're attractive. Oh my love, who's that girl? Yeah, dude. I'm gonna part my hair. I think that worked. Am I nuts? Did this succeed? Here it is. From the back. From the back and the back and the back. Yeah, especially because only 2 hours. This side, I think I could have done a little bit tighter. Like that's what I mean, is you can kind of tell where I didn't make it as tight as the rest, because on this side I do have a little bit more of defined curls, whereas just like this one piece in the front here did not succeed as well. But also I feel like now is really the time to try out a bunch of different weird hairstyles, because if it comes out ugly, who's gonna see it? But I think that is everything for today. The sun is literally blinding me, so I'm glad that my head is free. I'm gonna go walk my dog now that I can leave the house, but not too much. Don't leave the house too much. But you should go try something new out with your hair. I'm telling you, it's the time. Maybe take care of your nails, because I can't even look at mine. And have a nice day, bye. Thank you for watching.